All right, so in this video, we'll go over the mini red near infrared and the mini combo, which includes the blue. They're very similar, so pretty much everything is going to be the same, just a couple of changes in how you would adjust the settings. So in the box, you'll have the quick manual, the mini, charging cables, and goggles. I prefer not to wear the goggles, but if you have any kind of sensitivity to the eyes, go ahead and use those. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll go ahead and plug this in and charge it up fully. Now we know how it's charged up because once we turn the green on and we hit the T, that'll tell us how charged up we are. So we want to charge it fully initially. Right, so now that we have it charged up fully, let's go over the buttons. So the clock is going to adjust the time. The mode is going to change it from either Mode 1 for the combo unit is blue only. Mode 2 is red and near infrared only. Mode 3 is blue, red, near infrared all together. Now, on the red and near infrared only, Mode 1 is going to be red only. Mode 2 is going to be near infrared only. And Mode 3 is going to be red and near infrared together. Then we can adjust the pulse. The pulse is either going to be 294 or 0, meaning it's not pulsing. When we're ready and we have all the settings put in, then we can go ahead and hit the power. So we have the hand strap back here, so you can adjust that to fit. And when I'm using this, what I want to do is be about 1 inch away from the skin. So now normally I wouldn't have any clothing in between, but just so I'm going to be right around here, about 1 inch away is going to give me the right amount. If I'm just doing skin and it's superficial, I only need to be doing about 3 minutes. If it's deeper that I need to get in, say the muscle or the joint or the brain, then I'm going to be wanting to do 10 minutes. I can put this directly on the skin as well. That'll give me a little bit more power. And that way I can basically lower my power about 33%. Now, if you've got the combo unit with the blue is great, but you want to avoid in the evenings at nighttime using the blue anywhere close to the eyes, because that will decrease your melatonin and that can make sleeping more difficult. So it's best to use the blue in the morning into the afternoon. So the blue is excellent for any kind of skin issue. So if we're dealing with acne, eczema, psoriasis, if we want to increase collagen, it's beneficial. It's actually really beneficial for hair loss as well. Blue is also really good, again, in the morning time to increase serotonin, decrease melatonin, so it can help with your energy. It can also help with your mood, as well as your sleep, because it helps to balance your circadian rhythm. So if you want to do a larger area than just the width and size of the panel, you can go ahead and just move it over. So just understand that we're covering greater surface area, so we're going to have to add to the time. So generally, if I'm going to be doubling the area of the panel, I'm also going to be doubling the time. Now, because the lights are very bright, it can be sensitive to the eye. So I prefer just to keep my eyes closed. Again, if you're overly sensitive to the brightness, go ahead and wear the goggles. When you're done with the session, you can go ahead, hit the power off, or just simply take the green button, slide it down. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge the panel, and you get about 2 hours of use.